Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday we got a big move on the chart of dollar DXY, and as a result of which we saw heavy sell on the chart of Euro USD, gold and others. As you can see that dollar made a massive green candle, okay, and dollar or DXY made a high of almost 103.61, and right now dollar is under consolidation, or you can also say retracement. Okay, and the main reason is that today we have Fed Chair Powell speaks. Yes, we have a speech from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, and market is hoping that the chairman will be speaking of interest rate hikes, as a result of which we saw massive bullishness on dollar yesterday. So my dear friends, today's speech will be extremely important and it will bring crazy volatility to the market. So if possible, try to close down all your US dollar position, not only Euro USD. It can be USD CAD, GBP USD, odd USD, NZD USD, anything. Try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news, because market is about to create crazy. And if you're a beginner, new trader, observe the market, gain experience, but try to avoid any position or gamble with your hard-earned money. So as you can clearly see that DXY is bullish, and we have discussed about the bullishness because on Saturday we saw that market has formed a bullish engulfing pattern on the weekly chart, and on Friday market was also out of the range finally, the range of 102.40. so overall DXY seems to be bullish right now, but let's see what the speech is about and how the speech changed the direction of the market. If he really talks about interest rate hikes, then we will see further upside on the chart of DXY. That means it will bring further sell-off on the chart of Euro USD, Gold USD and others. So today's speech will be very important. And to find out the time, just go to any economic calendar like forexfactory.com, myfx, you'll find it. Okay, so now let's talk about the chart of Euro USD. So Euro USD is right now standing at 1.0769. This is the current market price here. So you can see that today I have used many moving averages. Okay, usually I prefer to use moving average of 50, 100, 200, but as I can see that 50, 200, 200, okay, they are not working much. These moving averages are okay, far away from the current market price. So if I hope then market will hit this level and it will reverse, then I can take a sell position, then I'm dreaming, because before news market will not show this kind of recovery, and moreover market does not have the strength also. So as a result I have switched to the 21 moving average, which is also a very popular moving average around the world. And here we can see that 21 moving average is right now beautifully acting as the dynamic resistance. So my dear friends, so today as a speech is coming out, so after news what will happen to the market, nobody can predict that. But before news, if market tries to recover, then you can obviously look for sell position, because in this type of market, when market structure is extremely weak, market is forming lower lows and lower highs, taking a sell position is the safest strategy that you can follow. And in this market, okay, taking a sell position means sell on rise. You have heard me saying about sell on rise 1,000 times, I guess. Okay, sell on rise is the best trading strategy that you can follow. During the day, if market shows recovery, hits the 21-day moving average and reverses, you can look for a sell position. So it will be around 1.0820. okay, around 1.0820. we have the number here. I cannot give you the exact number because see, if market hits the level during the European session, then obviously the moving average will be lower and obviously the number will change. So if possible, try to add the 21 moving average, you'll get the it will be easier for you to trade. Okay, so this is the resistance right now, which should act as the dynamic resistance. If market hits and reverse, we can look for a sell position. But the problem is that though this moving average is working as dynamic resistance, but still this moving average is also quite far away, especially if we consider that we need to take a sell position before the news, because after news nobody can predict what will happen. Okay. So after news, try to follow the trend of the market if you want to trade really. Okay, so if you see the market is going up, news is good, okay, then you can follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reverses. Okay, and before news, if you see that market is also going down, okay, I'm talking about before news right now. Okay, because before news, if market does not have the strength to go up, then obviously market will be going down. Then also you can take a sell position below the level of 1.0760. 1.0760. You can also take a sell position below this level. Okay, if you see that market does not have the strength to go up, to hit the moving average and come down, and you can take a sell, and do not expect a huge profit unlike the other pairs, because we have immediate support around 1.0730 to 1.0715. Okay, this is the support on the chart of Euro USD before news. After news, if the Euro USD starts falling, then obviously this support should not work. It will not work. But before news, this level should provide the support to the market, that is 1.0730 to 1.0712. This is the support zone. As you can see that we also have strong price rejection around this area in the past, and we have also used Fibonacci retracement here, and this is the Fibonacci 23 point, the first level. So we can definitely hope that before news, this level will provide support to the market. If not a complete trend reversal, at least you should get a bounce where you can make 20 to 30 pips. But after news, okay, after news, if the fall continues, you can also look for a sell position below this level. Okay, but after news, be careful. After this, be careful. Again, I'm repeating that, my dear friends, in this type of market structure, whenever you see market is going down like this, sell on rise is the best strategy that you can follow. But sadly, we do not have any retracement level right now, immediate retracement level right now, and because the news is coming up. Because before news, okay, market will not be heading towards the retracement level that we can find with the help of the major moving averages like 50, 100 or the Fibonacci. So as a result, we have used the 21 moving average, which is acting as a dynamic resistance. But we do not have much time, because we have a big speech that will bring craziness to the market. So 21 moving average. Okay, so we are also teaching the 21-day moving average here. But in case during the day market goes up and reverse, then it will be a miracle. You can look for a sell position. Otherwise, you can look for a quick sell opportunity below the low made by the market. You just need to remember that we have immediate support at 1.0730, 1.0712, which is the support zone. And before news, if market hits the level, definitely we can expect a minor bounce. After news, it may not work, because it's the Fibonacci 23.6, the first level, and it is weak. But before news, it should work as the support. But after news, if market breaks this level, you can also look for a sell position. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. Keep in mind, my dear friend, the market sentiment, okay, the market sentiment is towards the downside, so it is better to follow the trend of the market. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And as you guys already know, that the 3 days Hindi workshop is about to get over today, and the 3 days English workshop is about to start from 22nd. Everything is mentioned on the website. 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. If you're struggling with the market, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then definitely you should consider joining the workshop, because the fees, okay, the fees is the lowest in the world, I guess. It's only 1,000 rupees or $15. Everything is mentioned on the website. Bye bye, take care.